Okay, up till now, we have talked about writing down the program on the command prompt. So now we are going to understand the input output statements in Python, and we are going to execute them in a sequential manner. Sequential is sequence, one after another. No condition, there is no condition at all. If b greater than 0, then what to do? I am not going to talk about it at this moment. It would be a sequential program. Okay, so if suppose I write it down something like this. Sorry, you can see here this is started. I can give here the value as say c equal to 10, f equal to 45. If I write here c plus f, I can get 55. Okay. If suppose I say after some time f equal to c, what is the meaning of that? The value of c would be stored in f. It is as simple as that in Python, how you do it in mathematics. In other programming languages, you have to write down few more statements for the same. You have to give the data type, but there is no need, it understands by default. Okay, it is as easy as that. Okay, so now f equal to c. So c's value is 10 and f would be 10 again. So if I write again c plus f, I should get 20. Yes, I got it. So this is we are doing it on the command prompt, but now we are going to do it on the editor. So file, new file. We have talked about it before. Okay, I can write it down the program over here. So again, I'll say write down the same thing. C equal to 10, f equal to 23. Print addition is C plus F, right? Yeah, but I have not given comma. It will give me an error later. Okay, it is going to execute the program sequentially. Okay, you can see here it is asking me for the file name. I will just write down the same. Okay, and then it is giving me addition is 33. Fine. So in this manner it is executing. But now if suppose I say that print c is c, okay, then it's going to give me the print the see this particular statement I added in between. You can see here it is Python is helping you to give the syntax of print also. Can you see that? Okay, so it is that cooperative, we can say, right? So you can give here. Okay, you can see here c is 10 and it gave the addition. Fine, but every time I can't give the constant values. It is really not possible, because every time how can I give c as always 10 and f as always 23? I want to give my own values, so I'm going to write down here say a equal to int. There's a new syntax which I'm going to tell you. Int of input is a function again. Okay, enter a. Okay, now we'll try to run. Please understand how is the syntax. Int of, why int of? Because otherwise it takes character value, string value auto by default. So input function is asking to enter the value of a, which would be integer. Understood? So here I am going to execute it. Please keep it in mind, it is going to execute the code which has been given already. Okay, because the thing is here, the statement is coming on the fifth line or the fourth line, rather fifth line. Okay, and the meaning is it is going to execute statement by statement, line by line. So I'm going to execute the same. Let's see what happens. Enter, it is waiting for me. Okay, so I entered the value as 46, but I didn't print it. It didn't show me any output. Okay, but I will say print a. I can give print a, or I can give print a is a, anything, whatever. If you want to make your program more user friendly, please give it in that manner. Make your program more user friendly, because whoever is a third person will not come to know what do you want to say. So always keep your program user friendly. So now let's see what happens. It's giving me, it is asking you to enter the value of a. Now you must have understood, sometimes I'm giving 46, sometimes I'm giving 45, sometimes I'm giving 50. The meaning is here the values are not constant. I'm giving some new value. See, a is 45. This program is really user friendly. Okay, in the same manner, if I give here b equal to int of input of enter B, and then if I say, sorry, print B is B, okay, later I write C equal to A plus B, and later I print sum is C. It is as simple as that. You can see here the original program will get executed. You can see here the original program, it is giving C is 10, F is 23, addition is 33, all these things it is giving, and it is starting execution later. So it is running statement by statement. Okay, so I gave here 45, sorry, I gave here 23, and then it is giving me addition. So it is running the program. Did you all get it? So in this manner, we can write down a simpler program in our Python. Now, if I want to add a new program, file new, okay, I can write down area of circle. And we know the formula for the area of circle is pi r square. Okay, so obviously pi is not there anywhere on the keyboard, so I can't type it down. I'll have to give some variable for it. And it is constant, so it is 3.14. Okay, r I don't know. I want to take it from the user. I can give r as 2. Okay, and then I can say a equal to pi r as 2, a equal to pi into r pi r square, and I want to print, so print a, please understand here, if I write down here A, it will give me an error. Let's see whether it gives me an error or not. See, it gave me an error. A is not defined because there is a difference between small a and capital A. I have given here capital A, I have to give here again a capital A. Okay, so run module. Okay, you can see here 12.56 is the area of circle. Now I want to make it more user friendly. So here I am going to write it down int of input of enter r. Okay, now the value is not constant. I am going to take it from the user. Area is fine. Now it will be more user friendly, it will be more understandable by anybody who is a third person and the programmer also. Radius is 5, it is giving me area is 78.5. So in this manner we can execute the programs. It is really very easy. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned. Thank you.